This pre-lab activity uses a virtual lab environment. It's pretty easy to use. In this case, if you look at what you're supposed to do, it's on your pre-lab in the lab manual, but it's also written out here down below on the page. So in the first case, we're going to add 5 milliliters of 3 molar NaOH to the initial equilibrium solution. That initial equilibrium solution, I can add that to my virtual lab environment by clicking on it. Here it is. I can move it around by dragging. Note that I can actually see all of the different chemical species in here. What's the concentration of the metal bonded to these OH groups, all of those different things I can see here, the concentration of OH minus. If I go back to the stockroom here now, in this case, I'm supposed to add 5 mils of 3 molar NaOH. So I click on NaOH. To add the NaOH to the equilibrium solution, I just drag it right onto it. I'll get that little plus. And then I choose a volume, in this case 5 milliliters. Now in this case you can see visually what happened to the color, as well as you can go back and look at what happened to the concentrations of all of the different species in that solution. So your job is, you have the observation, what happened to the color when I added that NaOH, and then use the Chatelier principle to explain why I saw that observation. Again, if you're having trouble, just go down below here and click through. In this case, we saw it become darker blue, which is correct. There's these little questions guiding you through the activity to help you determine, okay, what is the specific stress? What direction does the reaction shift? How does that shift explain the observation? So it should only take a few minutes to go through this, and then we'll do a very similar analysis in lab